Welcome to my YouTube channel. I hate to tell you, but I'm refocusing my format. I'm going back to hair care, and I'm gonna also talk about doing YouTube. So it's kind of gonna be a hybrid version of what I was and what I wanted to go to. It's gonna be a kind of a mix of both. I don't know if it's gonna work. I don't know if the YouTube algorithm is gonna like it. You know, they always tell you that you need to niche down, but sometimes it's hard to niche down in the situation that I'm in. I'm not a hairdresser. I've been selling professional beauty products for over 30 years, and I started my YouTube channel in 2012. And the reason why I did it is because we didn't have a website, we didn't have catalogs, and it was my way of, instead of talking about how the new products over and over again, it was my way of saying it once and putting it out there. Or if it was education that would have been gone today after it's already happened, it's gone forever, I basically preserved that education, and I just kept sharing it with my customers to help grow my business. So that is why I started my channel. And the reason why I moved to the new version is because I'm over 63 now, and I wanted to talk about other things that interested me and maybe interested other people. And because I'm not a hairdresser and I don't have those skills, I want to be the face of the brand. Whereas before, I was always the guy behind the camera filming everybody else. This is the biggest thing going right now. And if you are a hairdresser creating content on Instagram and TikTok, you might be wasting your time on those platforms, because what's really going big is on YouTube. And if you like doing those shorts or reels, I'm telling you, on YouTube, the shorts have basically tripled the number of views that TikTok even has. So YouTube is the top streaming platform out there. I mean, bigger than any other platform in most of the major brands combined. Whether you know it or not, there's about 20 million YouTube videos uploaded every day on YouTube. I mean, it's just incredible, the volume of videos that are on there. But don't worry, I mean, there's room for you. And I don't know if you watched my previous video that I just uploaded the other day, but I used YouTube since 2012 to grow my YouTube channel and to help promote my hair care business. And it was actually the shorts that actually catapulted my channel. I was at about 2,000 followers for the longest time, and a few of the shorts just went viral. I've got one that's over 17 million. So that actually grew my followers from around 2,000 to over 61,000 subscribers. And all it takes is just one video to really take off. But one thing I want to tell you, if you're a hairdresser, you need to start a YouTube channel to help promote your business. If you don't, you're going to be sorry later on, and maybe sooner than later, because it's going to do nothing but grow and get bigger and bigger. And it's easier now than ever to create content on YouTube, because the technology is caught up to where, now you have your smartphone that you can use. I'm using the DJI Osmos Pocket 3 camera, which is, what I'm filming this on. But you don't need anything else other than a great smartphone. This is a iPhone 13 that I've had for a few years now. I wouldn't hesitate to create content on this. Wherever you can, try to use the back camera, but this is a great way to create content. But I just wanted to let my followers, my previous followers, know the direction this channel is going and what can you expect from this channel. Well, let me tell you, I'm going to continue to do hair care videos that you won't see anywhere else. I mean, I give you the inside scoop. A lot of times I show things that I probably shouldn't, but these are brands that I know to be good, and I'm going to continue to promote the latest and greatest technology in hair care. You're going to see product reviews, how-tos. You're going to see these products being used in action in actual salons. You're going to see some classes or introductions that really weren't meant to be public. So I do a lot of that. And at the same time, I'm going to be creating a playlist on how to develop your YouTube channel. All the things that you need to create good content, how to upload, and as things change over time, because let me tell you, YouTube changes all the time. The algorithm is changing as we speak, and that's one of the reasons why I'm making this shift, is because it's changed again, and I think it would just be smarter on my part to continue doing what I already know. I've been doing videos ever since 2012 on YouTube. So, and I've amassed over probably 2,000 videos, and I'm gonna relist and make public videos that I've taken down. And the reason why I did that is because I thought I had to do that to help the algorithm see where I was refocusing. But in hindsight, after doing some research, it didn't seem like that was the smartest thing to do. And so I'm going to be republishing videos that just make sense. You know, some of the older content that I had that just clogged up my channel, I'm going to just leave those unlisted and just publish the ones that I think will make the biggest difference in the most popular videos. So if you like the content that I was creating before, please continue to, follow me, subscribe to the YouTube channel if you haven't already subscribed, and make sure you click the bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. But hopefully all of my past subscribers will come back. I know that a lot of the shorts people will not, they're only there for one time and they usually subscribe. But please come back and watch my new content. And I'm going to be focused more on the long form content, because you just learn a whole lot more with the long form video. And I really hate trying to cut down my videos just to fit in a certain time frame, especially like when it's under 60 seconds. I mean, it's really difficult to say what you need to say in that period of time. I'm also going to give you information on other tech things to help you with your business, to help you grow your salon business. And I'm even going to be delving into AI. So I know you've heard the term AI. There's a lot of buzz going on with that. You need to get in on AI early, because it's not going away. And the people that don't utilize AI is going to be left behind. And that's in every aspect of not only YouTube, but your daily business. You're going to be able to utilize AI to help you be more efficient as a hairdresser. And if you're a customer watching this that is a beauty product enthusiast, a lot of this will apply to you too. And also, if you're not a hairdresser and you want to start a YouTube channel, this also applies to you. So I will have a lot of great information, and I'll try to keep it in playlists so it makes it easier to find. That's the reason why I made the change. And I'm going back to my roots and making also hair care videos with a spin on doing YouTube. So this is also to help hairdressers become more successful in their salon and make more money. Not just with hair care products, but also side hustles. So I'm going to be talking about other things you can do, like little side hustles that can make you more money. So if you want to know more about that, you got to make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, click the bell, and that way you'll get notified when I upload more videos. And let me know in the comments below if that's something you're interested in. I appreciate all of my subscribers for subscribing, and I appreciate you watching. And please let me know in the comments below, what kind of content are you most interested in? What is lacking from the channel? What do you want to see more of? If you like this video and you want to continue with my channel, you may want to watch this next video, because it may apply to what you need to know.